Hi guys, this is Sudhir Shivam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to make a real talk English video. In this video I will tell you 5 most important tips to improve your English skill. But before starting this video, I have a request from you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get each and every notification of my YouTube video which I upload. So without wasting our time, let's start this video now. Guys, if you really want to improve your speaking English skill and communication skills, so guys, you will have to focus on these 5 most important things. The first thing is reading, and the second thing is thinking, and the third thing is writing, and the fourth thing is learning, and the 5 most essential thing is listening. Guys, these are 5 most important tips to improve your skill. But before talking about these things, I would like to take an example of my student. One of my students asked me, sir, can we improve our English speaking skill without grammar? Grammar is important or not? Guys, I will suggest you grammar is very important, because I know that you do not live in any English speaking community. If you really want to improve yourself, you should focus on only basic English grammar. I am not saying that you should focus on advanced grammar. You should focus on only basic grammar so that you can understand the fact of English. Suppose that guys, you are watching a YouTube video and the YouTube speaker is speaking in English. So how you are able to understand him grammar? It will be possible then you are able to understand basic English grammar. So please, first of all, you should focus on only basic English grammar. Suppose that you are able to understand every sentence, but you are not able to speak. So guys, you should focus on these 5 things. I have already told you that the first thing is reading, but the question is arising in my mind that what should we read now? Guys, I will suggest you should not read any intensive book like that. Yes guys, you should not read any standard book like that. 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th book is not important. You should take some extensive books so that you can improve your vocabulary and pronunciation power. And the second important thing guys is thinking. Guys, thinking is very easy. You can take the example of any historical place like that Lal Killa and Taj Mahal and Eiffel Tower and Statue of Unity. Suppose that I take an example of Lal Killa. So I will make 5 sentences. Lal Killa is red in color. Lal Killa is also known as Red Fort. The All Indian hoist the national flag on Independence and Republic Day. The Prime Minister of India delivered the speech on our national festival. So guys, these are 5 sentences on Red Fort. You can also take an example of any country like that India, America, France, and make 5 sentences. Suppose that you are able to make 5 easy sentences of these things. After that, you should write down these sentences and start writing about it. You should write many more about them. You are to make a paragraph of that thing. You will have to write about Red Fort and you will have to describe the qualities of Red Fort and other things. After writing about the Red Fort, you should start practicing of learning. Guys, learning is very essential to improve yourself. Suppose that you are a good speaker and your grammar is very perfect, but you do not have vocabulary power, so you are not able to speak fluently. So guys, you will have to focus on learning skill. You will have to take 10 easy verbs daily, and you should also focus on pronunciation. Guys, pronunciation is also essential to improve yourself. If you want to become a real communicator, so this thing is very important, and pronunciation is also. After completing this thing, you must focus on listening power. Guys, listening is very essential to you. But the question is, what should we listen to? Guys, I will suggest you a very easy way to improve yourself. You should start your video recording and try to speak in English. You can introduce yourself in your video. After making your video, you should listen yourself what mistake you are doing. If you need the books of improving English, so I will suggest you 2 most important books to improve your. Guys, you can buy these books. After reading these books, you can easily improve yourself. In this book, you are able to improve your basic English. Guys, I hope that you will definitely like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.